Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to change your avatar to profile picture on Duolingo. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser. We cannot do this through app, so let's get into any browser and search for go to Duolingo login. Click on login. Make sure you log into it. Now click on this profile icon in the bottom right corner and we can see this picture, that is avatar over here. Simply click on this and here we can see this option to choose file. Simply tap on this. Now choose the file you want and click on done and click on save changes. So now it is changed. Now simply get back and we can see our profile picture. So this is all we can do to change avatar to profile picture on our Duolingo app. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.